Introducing the V-TUF V7, powered by a 2,100 watt brushless motor that delivers 40% longer life than traditional motors, built tough for demanding site work. The turbo nozzle cleans up to 3 times faster than standard nozzles, getting the job done with less time and effort. It's built for safety and ease on site. With a 10-meter high visibility hose plus a 5-meter bright yellow power cable to aid visibility and minimize trip hazards. Professional grade accessories include a stainless steel lance and a built-in detergent tank for deep cleaning power when you need it most. Rugged 10-inch wheels and a compact frame make it easy to move, transport and store. Built for real-world site conditions, the V-TUF V7 delivers power, speed and reliability.